Hello friends, welcome back to Fun Learning YouTube channel. Today let us learn some words. These words are going to help and build our vocabulary. Now why do we need vocabulary? As we are going in higher grades, we need to build our word bank and start learning different words so that we can make different sentences out of it. So before starting vocabulary, we need to follow some instructions. Let us see what are the instructions. So these new vocabulary words can be useful for kids between age of 4 to 7. These vocabulary are used in many subjects and even everyday's conversation. Every day you pick up 2 to 3 words and start making sentences out of it. So in an average, if you count 365 days, we will keep 15 days as a buffer. So 350 into 2, it will be 700 words in a year. That's a huge vocabulary, right? So let's get started. So our first word is amaze. Amaze, to cause someone to be extremely surprised. Similar word is also called as synonyms: astonish or stun, that is shocked. Let us see few sentences with this word. We were amazed by what teacher said. We were amazed by what teacher said. I was amazed by size of the garden. I was amazed by the size of the garden. Wow, amazing. Let us go to the next one. Next word is annoy. Annoy, to make someone angry. Similar meaning or synonyms are bother or irritate. Let us see few sentences. It annoys me that you are late. It annoys me that you are late. I know you are doing this only to annoy me. I know you are doing this only to annoy me. Well done, kids. Our next word is avoid. Avoid, to stay away from someone or something. Similar meaning or synonym is keep clear of or stay off. Let us go to the sentences. I avoid going in crowded place. I want you all to repeat after me. I avoid going in crowded place. If you want to lose weight, avoid eating between the meal. If you want to lose weight, avoid eating between the meal. You can build your own sentences also. Next word is arrange. Arrange, to plan, prepare for or organize something. Similar meaning or synonym is organize, assemble. Let us go to the sentences. The meeting has been arranged for Monday. The meeting has been arranged for Monday. We have arranged to stay overnight at my aunt's house. We have arranged to stay overnight at my aunt's house. Good job done. Next word is analyze. Analyze, to study or examine something in detail in order to discover more about it. Synonym is evaluate, explore, examine. Let us go on the sentences. Since my cable has stopped working, a technician is being sent to my home to analyze the problem. I know this is quite difficult, but we can give a try. We need to look at what went wrong, analyze the problem, and come up with a solution. We need to look at what went wrong, analyze the problem, and come up with the solution. Hope this was useful for you. Thank you for watching this video.